Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin chart today after this huge crash, about the 23% to the downside. Stay with me, let's check him out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. We are going to start with the total market cap including Bitcoin. Actually, as you can see on the chart, all the trend line we have got in here in white color, all of them actually at the moment are broken to the downside. The only support holding the valuation of the total market cap, which is about 1,390 billion dollars, is going to be this support we have got about this area. And if we lose this support, the next support is going to be around the 1,100 $100 billion for all the cryptocurrencies, which is not that likely. We lose this support area for now, but the selling pressure is too high at the moment, and we need to wait till the end of today. After this crash we had since yesterday started actually to about the 25% to the downside, at least I need to see a bounce to the upside, and after that we can make a decision for the lower prices or the bounce to the upside. We are going to the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Actually, altcoins are not looking good at the moment. The major trend line has broken, the support area has got broken to the downside, and the next support area we have got, which is about the $420 billion, is too far. Maybe we are going to see another crash on the altcoins, about a 16% to the downside. Bitcoin at the moment, it looks better than altcoins for now. We are going to the Bitcoin dominance as well. As I told you in the past few days, Bitcoin dominance is rising to the upside after this crash and this doji candle on the weekly time frame we have got. This one as well, it was like a bullish engulfing candle, and it's this three, actually this red one, this red, the doji one, and this bullish one is showing us a morning star candle on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin dominance. And after that, I told you we are going to see a bounce on Bitcoin dominance to go further to the upside, maybe around the 70 to 80% in the next few weeks or months. We are going to see, and we are going to check the Bitcoin price. Actually, the thing is, I cannot show you this chart today. Oh, okay, it's moving at the moment. Gemini, I don't know what happened to Gemini. Actually, it was staying at about the $49,000 area till about 1 hour ago, and it wasn't moving. Maybe the exchange had a crash or something like that. I don't know about that one, but the thing is, at the moment Gemini is moving as well. We still have got a higher high and higher low on the Bitcoin price at the moment, but it's still falling to the downside. We are on the daily time frame. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, actually, as you can see, we have got the gap in here on the 4-hour time frame, because the Gemini exchange, I don't know what happened to that, why the Gemini exchange wasn't working for the 4-hour actually, or maybe less than that, but now it's working. I haven't seen anything like that on the Gemini exchange. I'm going to another chart. I have got BTC packs. I'm going to show you something. The thing is, what do we have in here? We have got the support line in green, actually was working in the past in January and February for Bitcoin. Now it's getting broken to the downside. We need to wait till today, actually to the end of today. We need to see the daily candle close. If the daily candle close below this trend line, is not that good for Bitcoin, but if the daily candle close above this area, is going to be good and is going to be bounce for Bitcoin. The support area I'm looking for Bitcoin is about the $48,000 to $47,000, not to get broken. Actually, not $47,000 area is not that important for me. It's going to be $47,700 or $48,000. Bitcoin needs to stay above this area actually to get the bounce to the upside again. If Bitcoin cannot hold above this area, it's not that good for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you another chart that I've got in here. All the trend line at the moment got broken. They are not looking good. It's look ugly at the moment for Bitcoin price. If we see Bitcoin that's like a panic sell, I think. If we see Bitcoin push to the downside for more few hours, is not that good for Bitcoin at the moment. As you can see, the $47,000 area got broken one more time and is still going down. The other chart I have got in here, as I told you for several times, this purple line is really important for me not to get broken. This purple line was working as a support and resistance for Bitcoin. The selling pressure is still making Bitcoin to go further to the downside. But this trend line is really important for me after we had the support on this purple line and it got broken, and after that we saw for a few times and back tested, and after that, after the Tesla actually bought $1.5 billion valuation of Bitcoin, this purple line got broken to the upside and it was working as a support again. But the thing is, at the moment, what I have got in here, I have got the support area zone, which is about the $48,000 area, and this purple line supposed to work as a support for Bitcoin. If these two support area actually cannot hold the price for Bitcoin, it looks very ugly for Bitcoin, and the next support area going to be a really bad for Bitcoin. Is going to be around maybe $42,000 or maybe a little bit downer than that. But the other thing I'm going to show you for now, if we check the RSI, we cannot say we have got bullish divergence on RSI on the daily time frame at the moment, because the crash is not finished yet, is not over yet. The market is still crashing to the downside. But if the crash stop about this area above the price of $44,000 area, what can we see in here actually? We can see a bullish divergence on the price and RSI for Bitcoin. But if the price goes below this area, which is about the $43,000 or $44,000 area, this bullish divergence not gonna work anymore. The other thing I'm going to show you, what do we have in here on the daily time frame? We have got the 20 MA on daily time frame. If I go back on yeah, they all same actually at the moment. Yeah, the 20 daily, it was working as a really good support, but now it's got broken at the moment. But the thing is, if today actually we close the candle above the $48,000 area, I have got another chart in, let me just find my chart. Yeah, $48,000 area. If actually Bitcoin can close today above, by the end of today, if we close the candle above the $48,000 area, that shows us the 20 MA on the daily time frame working as a support, and this the green trend line was working as a support, and this zone area is going to work as a support, and that area is really important for Bitcoin to close the daily candle above $48,000 area by the end of today. If Bitcoin cannot hold the $48,000 area by the end of today, that is going to be really ugly for Bitcoin. Maybe we are going to see a crash to fall to all over about a $41,000 area. By tonight is going to be very important for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. Just let me find that one for you. I think it's this one. I'm going to show you Bitcoin on the weekly time frame as well. The thing is, these crashes on Bitcoin actually is normal. Is not that saying us the bull run is over. As you can see, the 31% crash downside, 17%, 20%, Now this one is about a 22%. This crashes to the downside is really normal for Bitcoin inside the bull run. Actually, that's not telling us the bull run is over. The bull run is still going to continue, but we have got a correction to the downside, and after that we are going to see another bounce maybe in the next days or next weeks to the upside for the further prices to the upside. As I told you a few days ago as well, as you can see on the chart, from the top to the 2017 to the bottom in 2018, we have got the 261% of the Fibonacci, which is working as a $47,000 area. That means, and that shows us actually $47,000 area for Bitcoin is still important, because as you can see, this candle, the previous weekly candle, was bouncing about the $47,000 area as well. If we close above the $47,000 area for the weekly candle, is going to be really good for Bitcoin as well. But the thing is, the weekly candle is just open yesterday, and we still have got another 5 days, 5.5 days actually to go for this candle to get close. Maybe we are going to see by the end of this week Bitcoin is going all the way back up to about the $58,000 or maybe for $60,000. We still don't know actually, but this candle, if close around this area, is not that good for Bitcoin, because it's going to be a bearish engulfing candle. But the thing is, if this candle actually bounce up to about a 49 to about a $50,000 area, is going to be good for Bitcoin. After that, Bitcoin can go further for the like a $60,000 or $70,000 area. We are going to check the Ethereum price as well, but before we do that one, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new to our channel. Let me just check it out, the Ethereum chart as well. I don't know what happened to the Kraken exchange, to be honest. As you can see, Kraken, the Ethereum in Kraken actually was going down yesterday till about a $700 area. That was a manipulation, I think. And let's just check it out, the 20 daily on the Ethereum looks really bad, because it's really fall down below the 20 daily moving average. But the thing is, this support area was working really good, about the $1,400 area for Ethereum. I think that's going to support Ethereum for falling further to the downside. As you can see, it looks like we have got a little bit double bottom as well, but 1,400 area for Ethereum, it looks really good at the moment, because after this triangle we had got broken to the upside. Now this zone area about the $1,400 is still holding the price of Ethereum, not to falling further to the like a $1,000 or something like that. I'm going to check another chart I have got in here. This trend line for Ethereum got broken, but this support is still working really good for Ethereum. Ethereum wants to stay bullish, actually cannot lose this support area, which is about $1,400. If Ethereum wants to be bullish, actually needs to stay above the $1,400 area. I've got chart in here. Let me just check it out. This the rising channel got broken to the downside. As you can see, actually the $1,400 area is still working good. The previous one we had in 1,600 and 1,700, they're all broken to the downside. Now what do we have in here? Actually, we have got the $1,400 area. If we lose this one, actually the next one is going to be around the $1,250 area, but we do not have to lose this area if we are on the bull market. And the other chart I'm going to show, the other coin actually, somebody asked about the eagle we have got on the TikTok. If you are not following us on TikTok, it's Bitcoin Galaxy. Actually, you can follow us on TikTok as well. Miso Bedel actually asked us if can you please make e-gold as well. And okay, we are going to check the e-gold as well. We are going on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, just let me go on the daily first. The e-gold price, the the resistance about the $154 got broken to the downside. The next support area we have got is going to be around the $72. Now it's breaking all the support area to the downside. We didn't have any support to this area because it was like a skyrocket to the upside to about the $240 for eagle. Now what do we see in here? Actually, I'm going to show you on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like we have got a double bottom for eagle at the moment, but the thing is, if we go with the Fibonacci retracement at the moment, the 61% for the Fibonacci retracement is holding the price of eagle, not breaking to the downside. If we lose this support area, which is about $100, the next one is going to be around the $75 for or $70 for eagle to the downside. I think if we lose this support area, this one is going to be a really good opportunity to buy eagle for the further prices to the upside. If I go on the 4-hour time frame as well, as you can see, it looks like we have got the double bottom in here, and the first time in 14th of February, it was like a Valentine's Day, we lost all the value of eagle and dropping down to this area, which was about the $102, and now we bounced back up, and after that we are seeing another drop to this area. It looks like a head and shoulder head and shoulder, as you can see in here. It looks like a head and shoulder drop to the downside for eagle as well. Now if you want to invest on eagle, actually it's not the financial advice. This area a little bit is good at the moment, and after that $72 area is really good for eagle as well. But after that, if this one broke to the downside, actually it's going to be ugly and it's not value anymore. That was all from me for today. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in the next one.